Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix game bar not working on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer and laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your game bar is not working on your Windows 10 and 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then type here Settings. Click on Settings. In left section you can see here Gaming. Just click on the Gaming. Come to the right side. In this you can see here Xbox game bar. Just click on that. After clicking Xbox game bar, it is turned on. If it is off, then you should be turned on this and close this window. After that, try the second method. Just click on the Start menu, then type here Settings. Click on Settings. In left side you can see here Apps. Click on the Apps. Click on the Apps and Features. Then search for Xbox game bar. You can see here Xbox game bar. Just click on this three dot and click on Advanced option. Just scroll down a little bit. Guys, in this you can see if this app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. First you can repair it and try and check whether it is working or not. After that, still it is not working, you can see here below second option. If this app still not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Just click on the reset and click on the reset again. For completion of this process, just close this window. Again you have to click on Start menu, then type here GP edit. Click on Edit Group Policy. I will maximize the screen here. First you can see here Computer Configuration. Double click and expand that one. After that you can see here Administrative Tablets. Select and double click on that. After that, Windows Component. You can see here Windows Component. Just double click on that. After that you need to find Windows Game. Just press W key and you need to scroll down. You can see here Windows Game Recording and Broadcasting. Just click on that. Come to the right side. Double click on that. Just right click on that. After double clicking on that, this window will be open. You have to make sure this option is enabled. After enabling, just click on Apply and click OK and close this window. Guys, after doing these settings, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix game bar not working on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.